So I'm in Ramona, California, which is about an hour northeast of San Diego, right at the gateway of the desert. Now, in the middle of town is this little joint owned by the daughter of a local egg farmer.
Fries ready?
The kind of place you'd expect basic cafe cooking.
Here you go.
Not a homemade chicken cordon bleu with fresh hollandaise.
It's spicy and tender.
Really good.
And get this, it's deep fried. I don't think I've ever seen chicken cordon bleu submerged. Why deep fry it?
It just tastes better. It has a crispy texture to the exterior, and it tastes really yummy.
So does the fried chicken, and the chicken fried steak, and fish and chips. Even the kid-friendly chicken strips are homemade, just like almost everything here.
This is good. It's the best food in town.
Anybody know where Ramona Cafe is? A small-town landmark, a 26-year-old local legend.
It's very homey.
Is this my twin? Huh?
Great service, really friendly.
Run by a local legend.
All right, here you go.
Sonia van der Veen.
Cinnamon roll for you.
Sonia is such a pie. She's really sweet.
When did they put stoplights in?
Oh my God. The first signal went in '79 when I graduated from high school.
Sonia left for a while after she graduated, then came back home. 20 years ago, she bought this place with some help from her parents, including some recipes from her Swiss-born mom. Now, I get it. I didn't know there was Swiss influence.
Oh, yeah.
Did you make chicken cordon bleu when you were a kid? Did your mom cook it
Yes.
for you? Okay. So this is just kind of your adaptation. Okay. So take me through it.
Okay, you take a chicken breast and
Okay.
we cut it in half. Then we place the plastic wrap over the chicken because we're gonna pound it
You
out.
don't want it to...
Right. 1/4 inch thick. All right. Take the saran wrap off and place the ham in the middle. And Gruyere Swiss cheese.
You really have to use the Gruyere cheese.
Yes, you do. It really adds that extra.
That's the tang. That's right. Okay.
There you go.
And then what do you do to it?
Roll it up,
Oh,
and we secure it with toothpicks.
man, I'd eat that if I like chicken ceviche. Now, when you first put this on the menu, did people just go bananas?
They did. They love it. Oh my gosh.
Bananas is good.
Bananas is good with chicken cordon bleu. Fried bananas.
Most people just bake it and put the stuff on it and that's it, but we're gonna fry it.
Right. We're
fry
gonna deep fry it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna dip it in an egg.
Straight up egg or is it egg wash?
It's straight up egg. Mixed.
Straight up egg. So it's really gonna...
Then we're gonna do it again one more time.
Oh, we're gonna do this back. Oh. So you really are the colossal King Kong of crust.
Definitely. Drop it.
Say hammer it.
Hammer it.
I'm the King Kong. I'm the colossal King Kong of crust.
Also King Kong of crust.
Oh, we set a timer? You love your timer. See, you're a baker.
Good.
That cheese really stands out.
Doesn't it? Yeah.
It really stands out in that. Definitely is the crunchiest. I mean, that is a texture on that. The key to the crunch is Sonia's homemade breading, made from homemade biscuits that have been sitting around a while.
And we dry them out a little bit.
This is dried out a little bit.
A lot. They're stale.
So a little bit of flour, so like a 50-50 mixture.
Yeah, 50-50 mixture.
Okay.
Pepper, ½ teaspoon of cayenne, a tablespoon of poultry seasoning,
How much salt?
a ½ teaspoon, and Cajun. Not too spicy. Okay.
Sonia uses that same breading on her buttermilk fried chicken. That's fried Crunchalicious right there.
Oh, good.
She also uses it on her chicken fried steak,
Very good.
which is really moist.
Juicy.
And here's the twist. Sonia's chicken fried steak, instead of a solid piece of beef, is a 50-50 mixture of ground beef and veal.
Oh, I think the veal and the beef idea of chicken fried steak is
Nice, big, very flavorful, fluffy. It's got a little bit of a peppery taste to it.
Okay.
That is really good. The breading's not too thick. And the meat is nice and moist inside.
Yes, yeah,
And
that's
there's a
what I
lot
like
of
about
flavor. You can actually taste meat. You're not just tasting fried batter, fried thing. The locals say it's same with everything here. Real home cooking that tastes like someone cares.
I mean, it's like all the flavors come together and they taste really good.
And real home baking, too. When we come back, I'm making a little something sweet to top off my meal. At the Ramona Cafe, the lunch and dinner crowd is packing the joint. For big favorites like chicken cordon bleu and chicken fried steak. But this place is just as big for breakfast,
Tomatoes, bacon, garlic, green bell peppers,
with something called the kitchen sink.
cheddar cheese,
Is this gonna stop at any point?
jack cheese, some point.
The Hawaiian short stack with pineapple, coconut, and whipped cream, and strawberry cream cheese stuffed French toast.
One of the best restaurants in the area, I think.
That's like a football. For a lot of folks, the best of the best are the massive cinnamon rolls, made fresh every day.
I see that you've opened it and displayed it for me so nicely, but I haven't really felt the invitation to eat it yet.
Of course not. That's for me to take home.
Who taught you how to make them?
My mom.
Your mom.
Yes. Put 2 cups of milk in, and then we throw in 4 ounces of margarine. Slowly pour it in there.
It's all mixed up with salt, sugar, yeast, and flour.
So that's gonna wacka for
wacka.
5 minutes?
And then you put it in a bowl and let it rise. All right, and then we throw the big gaba goo dough.
The big gabagoo.
That's what I call it.
Is that a baking term?
It got happy here, okay.
It got happy?
Yes.
The big gabagoo got happy? You should think about putting on like a big gabagoo workout video.
There you go. Okay, we got the margarine, and we're gonna spread that all over the dough. Watch out, you're gonna just... Okay, now, and then we put the cinnamon, brown sugar.
That is a ton of cinnamon and sugar.
It is.
What kind of nuts?
Pecans. Then we're gonna roll it from the very...
Serrated so it doesn't tear and... Do they go right in the center?
That's fine, yeah.
Heavy. What part do you eat first, the center, the outside?
The center.
That's where you go?
Yeah.
My son Hunter would go, or Ryder, would go out of their minds for this. Matter of fact, I gotta take him one of these. Get a spatula too.
Spatula, okay.
Yeah, you have to scrape me off the ceiling. I have this much sugar.
I'm good for 2 a day sometimes.
2 a day?
1 in the morning.
You need to get into some rehab,
I
bro.
know.
You need to. We need to have a counselor.
That's the whole reason I haven't left this town is because of the cinnamon rolls.
Sonia's sure not going anywhere. She's having too much fun.
Stacked your eggs.
Running the place to go
Did he put his hair on for me? Is that for
Yeah.
me today?
Yeah.
Your money.
in her hometown.
Ask me what I get for dinner.
I don't know, Cinnamon Roll King.
Exactly.
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll.
No, you don't get a cinnamon roll.